Our society faces many serious issues, including climate change and energy shortage. Climate, regulations, lifestyles, and culture vary from country to country. To address these differences, specialized air conditioning solutions are required to achieve the ideal air for each location. At Daikin, we developed and implement the most suitable business model in terms of production, R&D, sales, service, and maintenance for each country and region. By catering to each unique situation while tackling climate change and other social challenges, Daikin strives for perfecting the air globally.
Our aim at Daikin is to create new value by providing healthy and comfortable air to people while reducing negative impact on the environment. Our focus on developing environmentally conscious technology has promoted us to produce and develop near the market around the world. We build factories and R&D facilities locally to create products that cater to the needs of each market. Our service hubs are scattered throughout every country for easy access of local dealers, technicians, and installers to learn professional services relating to the maintenance of Daikin products. We approach production, product development, sales service, and maintenance with a truly localized method. As we study how the air can improve concentration and sleep quality, we continue to develop value-added services to make the air more ideally suited to the environment they support. For example, by visualizing the quality of the air with the sensor technology, customers can have optimal control of ventilation and air purification. It is our mission to provide clean and safe air and space. We at Daikin would like to continue contributing to the reduction of the climate and the social concerns by providing the most suitable air for each location by perfecting the air. It is our mission. Providing suitable air for every space in all the countries around the world.
Perfecting the air, Daikin.